I need to draw a line before anything else today because this is one of those topics where being vague could actually cost someone something. Literature does not treat clinical depression. If that's where you are, weeks of this, you're functioning genuinely affected, please see a doctor or a therapist. A book is not that, and I'll say this every time I touch this subject, not as a disclaimer to cover myself, but because I think it's the only honest place to start. What I want to talk about is underneath that. The grey days, not crisis, not fine either. Most people live there more than they'd say out loud, including some weeks me. Here's what I avoid on those days. Anything demanding optimism from you. A redemptive arc on a hard day doesn't read as hopeful, it reads as the book quietly implying you should be further along than you are. That's not company, that's pressure with a nicer font. What I reach for instead is honesty without performance. Matt Haig's Reasons to Stay Alive, a memoir written plainly by someone who has actually been there, not a wellness writer theorizing from the outside. He describes depression with a specificity I find both clinically accurate and personally honest. And crucially, he doesn't offer false uplift. He tells you what got him through without promising it will work the same way for you. Short forms on the heaviest days generally. A 15-minute essay, a single standalone chapter, depression flattens concentration. That's not a character flaw, that's just what it does. So an ambitious 500-page novel is the wrong call right now, however good that book is. A few honest pages you can actually finish, beat an ambitious one you'll abandon by page 40 and feel worse about. Then there's Tagore's poetry, especially Gitanjali, for a different reason. It isn't about depression at all, it's devotional, gentle, often addressed to something larger than the self. On the heaviest days, you sometimes don't have the energy to hold your own pain directly. A book that lets you rest your attention on something tender and larger than you, even briefly, can be its own kind of relief. If this resonates because it's just not a grey day but several grey weeks in a row, that's worth taking seriously on its own terms, not pushing through with willpower and good books. Sustained depression deserves real support, the kind a book was never built to provide. If you're genuinely struggling right now, please tell someone, a person, not a page. The books are here to sit alongside that, not instead of it. I'll come back tomorrow. I hope you do too.